Welcome to 2026. For Škoda Auto, this is going to be another epic year. We have two mega premieres lined up with the all-new, all-electric models right here behind me, doubling our BEV portfolio. We'll unveil the Škoda Epiq, our electric urban SUV, and after that, we'll reveal a brand new 7-seater for families and everyday explorers. These two will continue to expand our range of fully electric models even as we offer freedom of choice, including highly efficient combustion models and mild and plug-in hybrids. Want a sneak peek? What do you think? Should I pull the cover as a New Year's treat? No, I can't do that. We'll just have to wait for what 2026 shows us when we have the premieres. Stay tuned and Happy New Year.